Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Kwanzaa, Festivus, everything under the sun. It's a little late for solstice, but on this Christmas Eve, I received my Jeffery Star Winter box. It's the premium and I have not opened it yet. We are getting ready to open it and see what I got. I can't wait. I've been waiting for this box and I'm so glad to get it. It makes my Christmas merry and bright. And I'm super glad to have you guys here with me while I see what is in this box. This 2-day priority mail ended up being like a week. With the bad problems everybody's having with shipping lately. This box is tight. Oh my Lord. Oh well. Jesus Christ on a popsicle stick. I'm just taking in the box. I was opening it the wrong way. But it looks like this. It was confusing to me. And then this is what it looks like. The first thing I see in here is a Jeffery Star beanie. And it is beautiful. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging because it's white. And I know myself, me and things that are colored white don't get along. They get dirty. But this is a beautiful beanie. So I think that's one of the exclusive items, I would guess. Ooh, next up, and I love this. Some straws, some of his 4-piece reusable drinking straw set with a cleaning brush. And I love reusable straws. And I've always wanted some of these, but I was like not going to spend the money on them. But I'm glad to get them in a mystery box. Then we have a color that I wanted. A lip color I wanted. This is Rose Madder of Lure Liquid Lip. I totally wanted this color and it would go perfect with my look today. This is so pretty and it's a totally wearable color because a lot of times people go, but it's not a wearable color, but it is a wearable color and it will look perfect with what I'm wearing right now. That is gorgeous. I can't believe I got a color that I actually almost purchased when lipsticks were on sale the other day. Oops. Then we have, and this box is everything that I could possibly want for it. This is the gloss in Wet Peach. Oh my God, I even got a gloss in a good color. What kind of luck do I have? Let me get this out. Why is this packaging so hard to open? Oh, that is beautiful. In fact, I'm going to take off what I'm wearing right now. And put that on. OMG, this even looks good with what I'm wearing. This is every girl's bubblegum kind of fantasy. That is stunning. And this packaging is still just the most cool packaging ever. Look at that. It goes perfectly with this look I have. So good. It is so good. And there's one thing left in the box, and it's a palette. And with this orange paper, I believe it's the Thirsty palette, which is exactly what I wanted. And here we go. It is the Thirsty palette. I totally wanted this. I'm so glad I didn't get the conspiracy palette. Look how gorgeous this is. And they reissued this. And look at it. It's stunning. This box is fantastic. So I got the palette, the lipstick, the lip gloss, the straws, a beautiful hat, all for $60, and I totally feel like I absolutely got my money's worth. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you real soon, and thanks for being here.